Hello, this is Jeff Holcomb. I'm back at you to talk about the 4 key elements of a really good automation system. And what you'll see here on this chart, the first thing you need is speed. The higher the speed, the faster your machine runs, the faster you can produce products. So speed is extremely important. Next to speed, determinism is extremely important. So in your system, you want fast weight data to come out of the system, but you need it consistently transferred in the system. You don't want to have any lags between the weighing information. And this data is very important if you're doing filling or you're doing rate control or you're doing an automation application, speed and determinism. The other thing that is important is filtering. Filtering will remove any vibration that is caused by mixers, by feeders, by the external environment, and you can tune this in many of our products through the automation systems. And then finally, the filtering will have a big influence on what we call latency. Latency is when the material actually hits the scale and when you see the results. The higher the latency, the slower the system and the worse the results. And the interesting thing is you need all 4 of these to work together. You can't have one or the other, you need all 4. And many METTLER Toledo products offer all 4. Many competitors' products offer one but not the others, or maybe 3 but not 4. So keep in mind when you're specifying an automation system, you need to consider these 4 elements. Thank you and have a great day.